To fix the PlayStation app error, you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. So if you are getting some kind of error on PlayStation app, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then that may also be the reason that your PlayStation app may be sending you some errors. Secondly, you just need to open App Store or Play Store on the device. And from here you just need to tap on the search box and search PlayStation app. So search PlayStation app and see if there is any kind of update available for the app. So if there is any kind of update available for the app, then you just need to tap on the option of update and make sure that it is available to the latest version, because if you are not updating the app, then that may also be the reason that you are getting such kind of error from the PlayStation app. Thirdly, if that doesn't help, then you just need to long press the PlayStation app and click on the option of remove app, and you just need to reinstall it again from App Store or Play Store on the device. So by doing all of it, you will be able to fix the error which are occurring on the PlayStation app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.